Hey guys, this is Amber with thelovegal.com and youtube.com/thelovegal and lavattractionblueprint.com. And in today's video, I'm going to be talking about a subject that I love talking about so much, manifesting new money. But in this video, I am going to be talking about manifesting a specific amount or more with the law of assumption. Now, like I said before, I love talking about manifesting money. I love manifesting new money. And I like giving you guys tips. And it's not necessarily about the money itself. It's about what you can do with it. We aren't just manifesting a dollar just because we love looking at it. No, it's about what you can do with it. It's about what you can buy, what bills you can pay, the freedom that you have. And let's be honest, the more money you have, the more comfortable you feel. When you have more money, you're not thinking about the money that you don't have. You're not thinking about if you're short or not. I love manifesting new money for abundance of different things. So in this video, I want to be talking about what you can do to manifest new money, specific money for whatever reason with the law of assumption. Now, you guys know by now that I start out my new videos with a testimonial, but today's testimonial is going to come from me and what happened to me. I'm not going to lie. I struggle with what to share with you guys and what not to share because at the end of the day, I value my privacy, So a lot of the things that I do manifest, I don't even talk about. But I figure if I don't get too far into the specifics, I could still share with you guys to let you guys know, one, things could come out of nowhere. I've been saying this, but this one is a little crazy. Okay, so I say about a couple weeks ago, I was like, you know what? I need about $1,500 for this specific thing, right? And I let it go like you're supposed to. I visualize having the $1,500 for that specific thing, right? And what is today? Today is Thursday, October 27th, when I'm recording this. On the 25th, I received 2 checks in the mail. Like I said, $1,500. I received 2 checks in the mail for $750 each. And it was from someone who I only met one time at my father's funeral. One time. I only met this person one time at my father's funeral. Before then, I didn't know this person even existed. This person was not talked about, but I received 2 $750 checks. $750 plus $750 is $1,500 for the ones who, need a little calculator. I remember that day, I probably said 2 or 3 things to that person, maybe 2 or 3 words in a sentence. It was very brief. So for me to receive 2 $750 checks from this person in the mail was like, whoa, And for me, it's like, okay, I always know manifestation is real. The power of the tongue is real. But it's just how it came to me. It's like, wait, what? I did not ask this person for money or anything like that. But I wanted to share that with you guys. So if you're wondering how the money's going to come, don't worry about it. And more than likely, it's going to show up in a way that you didn't think was possible. As human beings in survival mode, we have a tendency to want to know how, or we want to know if we need to put in extra effort, if we need to do this, this, and that. Look, the purpose of this video is to tell you step by step how to manifest a specific amount of money with the law of assumption. So I hope that you stay into the end to get all the little tips and techniques that I have for you. Step 1, what I notice about manifesting anything, I struggle with manifesting when my mind is all over the place. When I have 1,000 different things on my mind, nothing comes. Nothing comes. I don't care how good I think my energy is. If my mind is all over the place and being pulled in 15 different directions, I have an issue manifesting fast. Let's be honest. Nobody wants to wait all day. Nobody wants to wait 15 years to manifest something. More than likely, if you're trying to manifest something, you want to see results sooner rather than later. So the first thing that I have to do is make myself sit down and clear my mind. Now, I know many people struggle with meditation. I get it, especially when you have all these different things on your mind. But what I will tell you, consistency will help you. I use guided meditations. I have one. Abraham Hicks has one. Elmer O'Locker, I'm sorry if I'm saying your name wrong, he has a few of them. Find a guided meditation that you like and that you resonate with and use that. They're all over YouTube. And what I noticed the first day of meditating, my mind is all over the place. It's bouncing back and forth. between thoughts. The second day, my mind gets a little clearer. Third day is even more clear. By that fourth and fifth day, my mind is very clear. My thoughts are super calm. So if you think, oh, meditation isn't working for me, you more than likely, you have to do it more. If you prefer not to use guided meditations and you're good at just meditating, that's completely fine. I also do things like stare at the clouds. When you are focused in on one single thing, it helps your mind clear. So it's best that you take at least, I'll say, between 10 and 20 minutes just working on your breathing in, breathing out, focusing on something specific. So when you're focusing on something specific, you are calming all of the other thoughts on your mind. Now, step number 2, before we even get to putting your intention out there, I want to put a battery pack in your back. I'm telling you, this step right here will help things get to you faster. Because manifestation is all about the energy you hold. The energy that you give off holds weight on how fast you're going to get it. So what I do, you need good energy to manifest the stuff that you want, because the stuff that you want will make you happy, right? You're trying to match the frequency of being happy, right? Well, sometimes when you think about manifesting money, it doesn't make you happy because you're irritated. You're irritated, you want it to come, you're anxious, you really need something. So you thinking about money isn't a good feeling. So I'm here to tell you, in case you did not know, it doesn't matter what you think about as long as it gets you to that frequency. When it comes to money, one of the super important things is alignment. The energy that you are putting out has to match the frequency of money. And I'm telling you, the frequency of money is high. So instead of trying to manifest and think about money and visualize while you're in a low vibrational place, think about something else that makes you happy. I've gave this example before. I was on my way to see my best friend and I was so excited to see her. I was beyond excited because we didn't live in the same city. So going to see her, it was like a thing for me. Like I was really happy. So I'm thinking about all the good times we're going to have, all the laughs, all the crazy stuff we be doing, all the goofy things we do. And I was extremely happy and I focused on that. And in between time of me focusing on that, I'm raising my vibrations. So every now and then I would slip in, oh, I'm so happy to be making new money. And I would quickly visualize new money coming to me. And it was working because I was feeding off the energy of going to see my best friend and being super excited. So now I can literally feel a huge shift within my body. It's like, wow, I feel great. I feel amazing. I'm happy. I'm excited. And it's genuine. It's a genuine feeling. So you take that energy and use that as your battery pack. And you are about to take all that energy and put it into your intention. What is your intention? Your intention is to make a specific amount for whatever reason. So step 3 is putting your intention out. I would love an extra $4,000 to come to me for blank by this time. I have manifested way more money than the $1,500 I told you about in the beginning of this video. I told you about it now because it just happened. But use the energy from step number 2 and give it all you got. Put it into your intention. And how do you do that? There's multiple ways. There is writing it down. You know what they say about writing it down. Once you put something on paper, watch what happens. I use my own scripting sheets. I have guided scripting sheets. I use those. They're fun. And I put them together to make me focus on whatever it is that I want instead of not having it. You can find them on my website at lawofattractionblueprint.com. A quick testimonial from those is somebody sent into me. They were trying to manifest $10,000 and they called from their ex-best friend so they could talk things out. It says ban. So I was trying to manifest a couple things for a minute now. I wanted $10,000 and a call from my ex-best friend so we could talk things out. I downloaded your whole LOA bundle and filled out both scripting packets. I expected everything to happen instantly, so I became impatient. I just ended up saying whatever and moving on. The moment I did that is when it both came. My bestie ended up dreaming about me and texting me, and I bought a scratch off that I forgot about. It'd been in my car for 2 weeks. Let's go. Thank you for all you do. My bad for being impatient. So, one way to to put your intention out there is to write it down. Focus on the end result. Focus on how you will feel. Get specific. Get fun with it. You can also download my guided scripting sheets. They're going to be available in my description box. It's going to be labeled. Another way I set my intentions is to say things out loud, whether this is in conversation, whether you're talking to yourself, or you using the law of assumption to act as if the conversation already happened. So a lot of the times I'm acting like I'm talking to somebody out loud. Either way, or you can do both. It's really whatever you feel comfortable with. And step number 4, I want you to put yourself in a scenario, and I want you to imagine you already having the amount that you want. And I want you to visualize. This is called visualizing, in case you didn't know, or imagining, or daydreaming about, thinking about you already having it. A lot of times my phone is involved when I'm visualizing new money coming in. And I've manifested money where I'm being handed cash. I'm being mailed checks. New payments are coming in. Yes, I am a business owner, but like I said, I've gotten money in ways that I couldn't even imagine or didn't even see coming. So when you're visualizing, visualize you counting the money. You already have the money, or you log in on your phone and your bank account and you see that amount. This will help if your mind is clear, because when your mind is clear, it is so much easier to visualize. And you can visualize this right before you go to bed, right when you wake up. And you can do this all throughout the day if you would like. But as long as good energy and you are in alignment with money, you can do this as many times as you want to. So visualizing money isn't extremely hard. It's just you have to know the technique behind it. I've received so many testimonials from people who say, look, I've manifested 5,000 a move. I've manifested over 100,000, like 10,000. There's so many different amounts that people have received because they're listening to this routine and actually applying it. So the world is in your hands. You are free to co-create whatever it is that you would like. I hope this video maybe is going to be just a reminder for you. I hope it helps. I hope it brightens your day, and I hope you get to manifesting the specific amount that you would like. If any of these tips in this video helped you, give this video a like, and make sure you subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet, because more content and more tips are coming. All of my law of attraction tools are going to be for instant download in my description box. Like I said, my guided scripting sheets, how to manifest ebook, the whole discounted bundle, you can find it below.